a 24-hour slow-cooked beef stew. Welcome to Diner Tribe. Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be making a 24-hour slow-cooked beef stew. So let's get started. We'll be using some sweet, or as common folk like myself call it, turnip. Yeah, you can call it what you want in the comments below, but I call it turnip. So I'm going to be using some sweet potato, leek, a tin of garden peas drained, 1 tin of carrots drained, 2 beef stock cubes, 1 beef stock pot, or 1 teaspoon as a substitute of yeast extract, and like all good beef stews, some gravy granules.
8:01 p.m.
And don't forget the beef. I'm using just the basic frozen supermarket diced beef. The good thing about this type of meal is it is very cheap to make and tastes amazing. With any good stew you can add any veg you like. So now I'm going to add the beef, then the veg, sweet potato, sweet, the leek, peas, carrots, stock cubes, the stock pot, and fill the slow cooker with cold water. Remember to leave a gap as the veg will produce water, which I'm sure you won't want to overflow from your slow cooker. In my case, I'm using this 1970s slow cooker, which has been in the family since new. No point in replacing it if it still works, eh? They don't make them like they used to. Turn on to high heat till the slow cooker is hot.
8 hours later.
Once hot, give it a stir and turn down to low and forget about it. Remember to keep checking the water level.
The next day.
Now it's morning, give it another stir, put the lid on and again leave.
Eight 8:01 p.m.
Now the beef stew has been cooking for the past 24 hours. Add the gravy granules. You can serve this stew with anything you want, whether it's chips, French fries, mashed potatoes, or in my case, mash with Brussels sprouts, broccoli and some cauliflower. Oh, and let's not forget some Yorkshire puddings. If you would like the recipe of the Yorkshire puddings, just click the link above, or you can find it on our channel. If you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, and please comment below on what our next recipe video should be. Till next time, thanks for watching Dana Tribe.